एवरीवन, मैं पहले धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ अमिता मैम को कि हम जिस जर्नी के थ्रू आए थे, थोड़ी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड थी, थोड़ा मिसहैपेंस था स्टार्टिंग में। उसके बाद हम आए थे एक होप लेके अमिता मैम के पास, और कुछ एक महीनों बाद आफ्टर इनिशियल सजेशंस बाय अमिता मैम, नेहा मेरी वाइफ ने कंसीव किया और फिर हम पूरी प्रेगनेंसी जर्नी के थ्रू गए, जिसमें काफ़ी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड थी। स्टार्टिंग 3 मंथ्स हमने बहुत पेशेंस रखा बिकॉज सम इनिशियल और स्टार्टिंग फेज के थ्रू। सो उसके बाद जब 3 महीने पूरे हुए, उसके बाद भी हम लोगों ने फिर से कुछ जैसे इनके साथ जो हल्की फुल्की ब्लीडिंग्स थी उसके थ्रू गए, वो भी एक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सीन था। पूरी जर्नी जो भी ये पूरे 8 कंप्लीट होने के बाद मेरी बेबी आई, उस जर्नी में कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हर महीने रहे। मतलब ऐसा सीन होता था कि फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर के बाद हनीमून पीरियड काइंड ऑफ, बट मेरी वाइफ हमेशा डरी थी। बट एक अच्छा सपोर्ट जो मैंने देखा वो अमिता मैम के थ्रू, जो उन्होंने हमेशा इनको ऐसा गाइड किया कि यहाँ आने के बार बार मन करता था कि जब भी हम ऐसा लो फील करें, लेट्स गो इन फ्रंट ऑफ अमिता मैम टू just overcome the whatever the odd things we were facing. But here now, after getting this praised reward from Amita ma'am and gift from the God, I'm very happy to have it. And this is my child named Sanvi Pandey. Now she's my wife.
Okay. So I still remember when we met Amita ma'am, first of all, at that time we were in a very hopeless situation because initially I had 2 back-to-back miscarriages. In the first one, I have lost my fallopian tube also because that was an ectopic one. So technically we met Amita ma'am for IVF, but 1 month after the medicine and all, naturally I have conceived. Although this journey was not that easy because every month back to back some of the other complications were there. Initial 4 months, I mean starting from 5th week, every week I had an heavy bleeding because there was some clotting was there, and thereafter 5th month I think it was normal. Then again from 6th month I was having an itching problem because the liver enzymes issue was there. And then end of it in the last trimester, again 7th and 8th month, I was having a very low amniotic fluid, because of which again I had back to back some Hermin fluid through IV I was taking. But end of it, throughout this journey, I mean as a mother, as an angel, I can say Amita ma'am was there at each and every step. We were like in any panic situation, in any situation, I mean the moment we get the bleeding at our home, we immediately call Amita ma'am, and then next moment she was like, go and take this injection, go and take that. And sometimes not only during the day, there are the time when I think night 2:30 or 3 also I have called Amita ma'am, and then there I got the response also. Not only this, I mean we were not she has supported us in this situation
24/7.
24/7. For us, Amita ma'am is something like, I can say as a mother or as an angel, she helped us out throughout this journey. And if we have got this little angel in our life, this is all because of the guidance and support from the Amita ma'am.